Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning on an Epson Expression Home XP435. So, we can use the buttons on the front of the printer here, use the arrows to move along till we get to the setup menu, which is indicated with a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press OK to go in. Then we need to go down and into maintenance. Here we go. And second option down, we've got head cleaning, so we press OK to go in. And then you just press start to start cleaning. So here we go. Now this will take just a few seconds, and what your printer is doing is forcing ink into the printer's printhead, hopefully dislodging anything that could be causing stripes or missing colours on your printer. Now this will take just a minute, so I'm going to let it do its thing. Now, with the cleaning done, you've got the option to either just finish cleaning, in which case you press OK, or there's an option underneath for nozzle check. Now what this nozzle check does is print a test page which breaks down all the 4 colours, and if you've been having print quality issues, I'd recommend doing this after the clean just to check that the print quality has improved. If it hasn't, more cleans and you get the idea. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do take the time to give us a like, but if there's something else that we haven't covered, please do let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.